Hello, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how I design this election flyer or school election flyer. Without much ado, let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is I will go in and bring a texture from this design. I will drag this texture here and position it to fit the background like this. So you have something like this. Okay? Placing in your texture, reduce the opacity to 50 so that it will blend with the white background. From here, I'm going to bring in the logos and then the details of the school, okay, and then the department. So I have these two logos, one for the school, one for the department, and their details. So I will select all of them from this design that I did. Then I will hold the shift key to select all of them. I will press Ctrl C to copy it. I will go back to my document and press Ctrl V to paste it. Then I will group it, Ctrl Alt G. Now from here, I'll rename it and then I will have something like this. From here, I'm going to convert it to Smart Object, okay, so that I can do modification without distorting the whole document. So I've converted that layer that groups to a smart object. I'll double click inside the thumbnail to have something like this. From here, I'm going to position the items and rearrange them in a horizontal manner. So I want to align the images and then the text in a horizontal manner rather than the vertical star. So we have something like this. So you see that the smart object did not distort our work. So I'll have something like this. Then I'll also go in and select the text. Okay, so I'll have this text and then I'll bring the text here like this, and I'll bring in the name of the school. I'll do adjustment to all of them like this. Okay, so we'll have something like this. I'll reduce the size. Okay, so just follow along and see how I'm designing. So if you don't have already made design, you can just go forward and then do something like this on the top of your design, so you can add it. So as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. I'll stretch it to fit it. You can pause at this time and then you look at how you can do this. So you have the background and everything there. So from here, we will add some shapes to our document with the color of green. Then I will draw this one here. Okay, after drawing this, I will make a copy. Then I will draw another one. Okay, rectangle with different color. I will change the color from green to gold. So I will come here and sample the gold. Instead of me sample this, I will go in for the point sample and sample something like this. I will sample something like this. After sample this, then I will select all of them and group it. I will call this one backstage. Okay, so I will type this backstage. So from here, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to bring in some details, some information. You gave me some text, so I will type those text like this here. Okay, a new dimension, era of hope. As you can see, we have something like this. I will change the font to bold so that the text will be more vivid. So I will use this font and then change the color to green. You can see that the green matches well with the background white rather than using the gold. So after here, I'll go in and bring the image. Okay, so this is the person vying for that position. He's Godfrey Dakon, is my school son. So what I'm going to do right now here is I'll place his picture here and remove the background. So I've removed the background. If you don't know how to remove the background, you can check in my video and watch how to remove the background. Then I'll bring this lady here and I'll position her. That is the vice president. So I'll bring the picture here like that. I'll position her. I'll make sure that the picture is no more than that. Then I'll remove the background. Now we have something like this. Okay, so as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Now you can see that it is a nice one here. So from here, let's change to the view so that you will see everything well. back to my view. So what we are going to do next is to add the name of the lady and then the name of the guy. So I'll just do some position and adjust them all. So from here, what I'm going to do next is I'll go in for some shapes, okay, and some text to add it. So I'll go in for this rectangle tool, then I will draw a nice rectangle here like this. I want to get the round edge. I'll change the color to green, then I will drag this one inside so that I'll get that round edge shape there. So from here I can add my text. I guess I'll make a copy of that shape and I'll make sure they are aligned to each other on the same horizontal plane. Then from here, what I think I can do is I'll bring in the name of the lady. I'll copy, I'll paste it here. So the name is Jibril Hikmatu. I'll remove the layer style so that I'll get the text only. Okay, so I'll reduce the size to fit the design. So we have something like this. I'll make a copy of the text, then I'll do same and type it here for Daco. All right, so what I'm going to do next is to add some basic information like hopeful and then NSA Vice President hopeful. So I'll type that text here, I'll paste it. Okay, if the paste doesn't come, you can make a copy. So I will make a copy of that text and bring it here. I will change this text to NSA Vice President 04. Change the color to gold, and now we have this NSA Vice President 04. Okay, so as you can see, this video is quite showing you how you can design this. You don't need me to show you each and every step I did. You know how to bring in text, you know how to bring in shape, so you just need to look at how I did it and then you do the same. So hope for something like this 22. So from here I'll make duplicate of that and I'll bring it to the same size. I'll change that one to NSA president. So we have the vice president and then we have the president. I'll make a copy of that one and I'll change the text as well to another text. So what will be the text? So let's say I'll type something here. Okay, or type something here like this, the people's voice. Wow, so we are almost done with our design 11 to 110. I'll go in and bring Team Godi. As you can see, that is there. So this is the very simple way you can create this design. Okay, please, this is very simple and easy for every beginner to design. If you want to learn more, I'll design more. If you like this video, click on the like button. Bye bye.